In this video, I'll be sharing how to make an effective presentation. First of all, eye contact. This is more important to show your eye contact to your target audience so that your audience might feel connected with your speech. Secondly, gesture or posture. Show your gesture or posture to your audience. In terms of showing your gesture and posture, your audience will get attraction by your speech, whatever you're going to present. So don't forget to show your gesture and posture during your presentation. Enthusiasm is immensely important to show how much confident you are. You must have enthusiasm in front of the audience. So in this case, build your confidence, how much confident you are. Breathe. This is more important. Why? Because breathe can assist you to control your speech, to control you, and to control your fairness. So during your speech, just take a breath. Create tone during your presentations, during your speech. You can change your mode and you can make melody of your presentation. So your audience must be attractive to you. They will be eagerly waiting what you are going to deliver next. Dress to impress. Must be neat and clean. Be really formal if you use professional dress, formal dress. Language. Use proper language and better to avoid any slangs. Never use any slang during your speech or during your presentation. Never hurt anybody by using any language. And of course, try to avoid fillers like like this. Articulation. Articulate clearly and smoothly so that your audience can understand you. Last but not least, smile. This is a key of a person to attract the audience. Don't forget to smile during your presentation. Smile make you look and feel better. Make your audience more attractive in accordance with your smile. I think this information of this video will be your help. See you for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.